keep waking up at 3 a.m., almost to the minute, and nobody has ever told you the real reason why? This is why. And it is not random. It is not just stress. It is not a sign that something is wrong with you. There is a specific chemistry behind that 3 a.m. wake up. And once you understand it, you can actually do something about it. And if you have spent those nights lying there with your heart pounding, doing the math of how few hours you have left before the alarm, I have been there, and it is practically kind of exhausting. So let me tell you what your body is actually doing in the dark. You know the pattern. You fall asleep fine, and then sometime in the small hours, you are suddenly wide awake. Not groggy, wide awake. Maybe your heart is racing a little, and your mind switches straight on, often into something stressful, and now you cannot get back down. You lie there, and of course, just before the alarms due, you finally drift off. So you wake up feeling worse than if you had never slept at all. And it is lonely, isn't it? The whole house is asleep, and you are staring at the ceiling, half furious and half defeated, already knowing exactly how wrecked tomorrow is going to feel. So I want you to know you are not the only one awake right now. This is one of the most common things women over 40 quietly deal with, and almost none of them have been told why. Because most women are told this is just stress or just you aging and left to white knuckle it all. But that 3 a.m. wake up is one of the most decodable things your body does. It is a signal and it has a cause. Here is the chemistry in plain English. While you sleep, your body state need to keep your blood sugar steady. If you went to bed underfueled or you were on a blood sugar roller coaster during the day, your level can dip too low in the early hours. And your body reads that dip as a small emergency. So it does the logical thing. It releases cortisol and adrenaline to pull your blood sugar back up. The problem is, those are your wake up hormones, the exact chemical designed to launch you out of bed in the morning. Released at 3 a.m., they do the same job. You snap awake, heart going, mind racing, and you genuinely cannot work out why. That is why a dip in your blood sugar pulled the cortisol alarm. Your cortisol is your wake up hormone. And notice the cruel combination. You are exhausted, but you are also wired, shattered, and alert at the same time. That is the signature of a cortisol in your system at the wrong hour. It is also why the nights it happens mostly are usually the ones after a sugary dinner, a skip meal, or a couple of glasses of wine. Each of those set up a bigger blood sugar swing for your body to correct while you sleep. And after 40, it gets easier to feel. As progesterone, your calming, sleep-steadying hormone, declines. Your sleep gets lighter. So a blip that you would have slept straight through in your 30s now lifts you all the way out. So it isn't in your head, it is real, physical chain of event. And the good news about a chain is you can break the first link. So here is the one change. Study your blood sugar overnight. So your body never has to fire that 3 a.m. alarm in the first place. And the simplest way in is a small balanced snack before bed. Something with a little protein or fat, not sugar. A few nuts, a boiled egg, a spoon of plain yogurt, nothing big, just enough to keep your blood sugar from crashing while you sleep. A small protein snack before bed can stop that 3 a.m. crash before it starts. I know that sounds backwards, right? Eat something to sleep better, but this isn't about eating more. It is about stability. You are taking away the dip that set off the alarm, and while you are at it, watch the lit glass of wine because alcohol spikes your blood sugar and then drops it a few hours later, which is often the real reason a relaxing nightcap wakes you at 3 a.m. And if you want the full picture of what changes in your sleep after 40, there is a free guide linked below. I will point you to it at the end. So this week, try it for the next few nights. Have a small protein-based snack about an hour before bed and skip the late night alcohol. Then notice what happened around 3 a.m. For a lot of women, that wake up soften or disappear within few nights. And the relief of one or broken night is hard to describe until you have it back. And give it more than one night before you decide. Your body has patterns to unlearn. So run it for 4 or 5 nights in a row. Keep it simple, keep it consistent. You are not adding a rule. You are removing an alarm, and watch 3 a.m. slowly stop being the moment you dread. And I want you to hear this. The 3 a.m. wake up was never a character flaw or a proof you cannot cope or just the price of getting order. It was your body sending you an alarm in the dark because something underneath felt unsafe. Give it what it needs overnight and the alarms goes quiet. And if you want this in one place, I have put it all into a free guide, the Metabolic Recovery Framework. The come 3-stage version you can actually follow, remove, stabilize, and expand. It is linked below. Start with stage 1. And if you want the full why behind your tiredness, watch this week main video. Why you are still exhausted after 8 hours of sleep. I will see you there.